Ever wondered what it really takes to get started with TradingView? Is it a supercomputer and a fiber optic connection, or can you dive into the world of charts with something more modest? If you've been holding back from exploring this powerful platform because of perceived technical hurdles, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the minimum requirements for TradingView, cutting through the noise to tell you exactly what you need to start charting and analyzing the markets. TradingView has become a go-to platform for traders and investors worldwide, and for good reason. It offers an incredible array of charting tools, technical indicators, real-time data, and a vibrant social community. From a quick glance at a stock chart to in-depth multi-timeframe analysis, TradingView caters to a wide spectrum of users. But with all these features, it's natural to think it might demand a high-end setup. The good news is, for most users, the barrier to entry is surprisingly low. Let's start with the most basic necessity, an internet connection. While day traders prioritize lightning-fast, low-latency connections, for the average user, a stable broadband connection is sufficient. Think of it this way: if you can stream a high-definition video without constant buffering, you likely have enough bandwidth for TradingView. We're talking a minimum of around 10 megabits per second download speed for a smooth experience, but generally, anything above 25 to 50 megabits per second will ensure real-time data flows without a hitch. A wired Ethernet connection is always preferable to Wi-Fi for stability, especially during critical market hours, but Wi-Fi will work for casual use. Next up, what about your device? The beauty of TradingView is its versatility. You can access it through a web browser on virtually any modern computer, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. The official TradingView desktop app offers a slightly more optimized experience, especially for multi-monitor setups, but it's not strictly necessary to get started. For Windows, you'll generally need Windows 10, version 19042.0 or higher, or Windows 11. On Mac OS, Big Sur, version 11 or newer is typically required. Even a reasonably spec'd laptop from the last few years should handle it without breaking a sweat. What about mobile devices? TradingView has robust apps for both iOS and Android smartphones and tablets. This means you can keep an eye on your charts and alerts even when you're on the go. The mobile apps are incredibly well designed and offer a significant portion of the desktop functionality, making them perfect for checking positions or quickly analyzing a market. So, if you have a modern smartphone or tablet, you're all set to use TradingView on the move. Now, let's talk about hardware specifics. While there are no hard and fast rules for CPU and RAM for the web version, a decent modern processor, Intel i3 or AMD Ryzen 3 equivalent or better, and at least 8 GB of RAM are recommended for a smooth experience, especially if you plan on running multiple charts or many indicators simultaneously. For the desktop application, these recommendations become a bit more concrete for optimal performance. While 8 GB of RAM is a good starting point, if you're a serious trader with multiple complex layouts, bumping that up to 16 GB will make a noticeable difference. Finally, the cost. Is TradingView free? Yes, there's a highly functional free tier called Basic that provides access to essential charting tools, real-time data for major markets, and a limited number of indicators per chart. This free version is an excellent way to get familiar with the platform and decide if it meets your needs before considering an upgrade to one of their paid plans, Essential, Plus, Premium. The paid plans unlock more charts per tab, more indicators, extended historical data, and advanced features, but they are by no means a minimum requirement to start using TradingView. In essence, if you have a relatively modern computer or smartphone with a stable internet connection, you meet the minimum requirements to dive into TradingView. Don't let technical specifications intimidate you. Start with the free version, explore its capabilities, and upgrade only when your trading journey demands it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.